Today I went for hepatitis B vaccination, and this was the card that was given to me. After I received the injection, they gave me this card. The front page contains my personal details, but this was the card that was given to me after the hepatitis B vaccination. One thing you need to know is that hepatitis B is preventable. You shouldn't wait for you to get the infection. It is preventable. And one of the ways in order to protect yourself from contracting hepatitis B infection is to receive hepatitis B vaccination. Now, there are some people who qualify for the vaccination. First of all, before you receive the injection, you need to do hepatitis B test. Because if you have not done the test, they won't know whether it is positive or negative. If you do the test and it is negative, then you qualify for the hepatitis B vaccination. But if you do it and it is positive, then that means that you already have the hepatitis B infection. So you might not need the vaccination, because the vaccination is to prevent you from getting the infection. So you would rather need the treatment with regards to the hepatitis B infection. If this infection is left unattended, it can lead to a lot of complications. And some of these complications include liver failure, liver cirrhosis, and sometimes liver cancer. Nowadays, there are a lot of people getting different forms of cancers. And liver cancer, which is also called hepatocellular carcinoma, is one of the dangerous form of cancer that you could get. You understand? And one of the possible causes of this hepatocellular carcinoma or the liver cancer is hepatitis B infection. That is why if there is an opportunity for you to prevent or protect yourself from contracting the hepatitis B virus, then you need to do so. And one of the means is through hepatitis B vaccination. Also, aside the vaccination too, you need to avoid this indiscriminate sexual intercourse with different kind of people, because you might not know that that person might be having the hepatitis B virus and you contract it. Sharing sharps between people, like if you use a razor blade and you share it to someone, and also from mother to child, you can get it. But with that one, most of the time, majority of the pregnant women will be diagnosed even before they deliver. So through that, we'll be able to give the child a hepatitis B vaccine so that it will protect the child from contracting the hepatitis B virus. So the major reason why I'm sharing these videos with you is that hepatitis B is preventable. And one of the ways in order to prevent hepatitis B infection is to receive the hepatitis B vaccine. And that will go a long way to help you. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Like this video and then share this video to many people.